Hey friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic and one of the most requested video, how to speak English easily. So I have done a video about this topic. Do watch that also. 3 steps to start speaking English. Now, after watching that video, many have messaged me that they were really able to work out, they were really able to make a difference because Think in English is one of the most powerful tool where you can start to speak a language much easily. But even after watching that video, many have messaged me that they tried a lot, they tried all the methods, they went for classes for English coaching, but they were not able to speak. Now, what to do? So, this is for those people who really want this to happen and feel they tried everything but they are not able to. I just want to tell you one thing first, that you haven't tried everything. You have tried some parts which were not working for you, but definitely if you want to learn any language, if you have a willingness to learn that, you can learn that. Now, what I'm going to share is that beautiful secret. Now, if you really want to study, if you just realize it and understand it, because before implementing or learning anything, you got to understand the concept, how we will be able to do it. Okay, now for this, whoever is watching this video, you must be fluent with one language at least, and most probably that language will be your mother tongue, right? You'll be very fluent in your mother tongue and you want to learn English or any other language because it's a global language, or for your career when you're working in a different country, you want to learn that language to speak to everyone much easily. That's why you want to learn a new language, mostly because you want to communicate in that language to someone else. So you must be fluent in any one language. That must be probably your mother tongue. So how are you so fluent in your mother tongue? So can you just think, how did you learn your mother tongue so fluently, so well, that you cry in your mother tongue, you smile in your mother tongue, you speak in your mother tongue? How? Now, if you try to think, you must be not remembering, because you don't remember when did you study your mother tongue, because you didn't study it, just automatically you just grasped it from your surrounding. So I just want you to watch a small toddler somewhere around you, maybe in your home or in your surroundings. How are they learning their language? Now let's just go back to our childhood and start realizing the point of how to learn a language, so it becomes much easy. A toddler, a small baby or a child, a toddler, maybe a 1.5 2 to 3 years, they start speaking. So how do they start speaking? Just try to think again, how do they start speaking? They start speaking how? They observe their parents or the people around them, how they are speaking. Okay, so the basic needs words like food, give me food, no, I don't want that, yes, all that words first they grasp by observing, right? So the first lesson to start speaking is observing and try to understand, because when we repeatedly say something like, this is no, don't do it, yes, do it, and our expression, kids also start learning, toddlers start learning that. So first thing to learn a language is to observe. Now the second is, toddler starts using the whatever they have grasped without thinking if they are saying something wrong, or if the people around are laughing at us. Most of us, what is our problem is, we may know the language, we may understand the language very well, but we are not able to start speaking because we are afraid if someone is judging us. We are afraid, if I say something wrong, will they think that I don't know the language? Be like a toddler. Toddler is not worried, a baby is not worried about if anyone is judging him, if anyone is watching him. If he says something wrong, we keep laughing at the baby, but they are not bothered. They just keep telling that till they get that thing, till that thing happens. The same way, it doesn't matter who is teasing you, who is laughing at you. You just start speaking, make mistakes, no problem, just keep saying. The good people around you who want to grow and learn, when you are making mistakes, they will correct you. Okay, just take it in a right sense and good sense, because Now also I do make some mistakes, I do make some grammatical mistakes. People send me message, the viewers send me message, Sahla, the word you use here is wrong, can you correct it? The things you have written yesterday was wrong, can you correct it? And I take it in a good sense. And some people tease me, being an author you still make mistake, and I take it in a good sense. I try to understand it, correct it. So be like a toddler. Just take the intention that you got to learn it. Observe and start speaking. Make mistake. The only way to start speaking a language is start speaking. Express it. Make mistakes. If you want to start, when a baby starts walking, they fall many times. We all laugh at them, but they are not bothered. They just keep walking. The same way, to speak a language, to learn something new, anything, when you're learning, driving, learning a new language, going to school, of course you will make mistake, dear. We are human beings, but that doesn't matter. Just go forward, keep learning, keep observing, keep listening, keep speaking, okay? And it's easy. You just got to commit to yourself that it doesn't matter who is going to tease me, it doesn't matter who is going to laugh at me, but I'm going to do it. I am going to do it, and you will be able to do it. So that's the only trick. Just realize where is the problem and just start doing it. Whatever you're learning, it's easy. And one more thing, my companion planner workbook is back in stock. Get your copies for 2022. Thank you so much and love you all.